Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
For an extremely functional app, Notion looks really good. In spite of having loads of information on a single page, the block editor ensures that there's no unfortunate typography, and the ability to switch between a light mode and a dark mode makes everything visually pleasing and clean.
Let's help you make your mark.
Microsoft OneNote is the best note-taking app that really popularized the concept, and Microsoft and Evernote are two of the biggest players around. Notion claims to bring the best of both the worlds by offering a new block-based layout which is usable as a note-taking app, Kanban tool, and to-do list.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Notion is one of the most popular and flexible tools. It's an all-in-one productivity solution, and it's simply one of the best tools I've ever used. Notion is incredibly flexible. It can be a writing repository, task management software, a workout calendar, a database, and so much more.
Take our lead.
Yes, if you trust them with your data as it lives on their servers. Notion does offer a great flexibility and can do more things than just take notes. It's open source, allows encryption, is perfect as a personal note-taking system. Notion has a way better interface than Joplin.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.